Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Calm Speak English, the place where you learn English slowly, clearly, and with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Alex, you look relaxed today. You're smiling.
I am. It's not the coffee this time.
Oh, really? Then why?
Because it's the end of the year. December is almost over.
Ah, yes, that special feeling. The year is finishing and everyone is a little excited.
Exactly. And before we start, we have a small request.
If you enjoy calm English conversations, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Calm Speak English. You're always welcome here.
So, Alex, what do you like most about this time of year?
Honestly, no alarm clock.
That's a very good reason.
We worked hard this year. Now it's time to slow down.
I agree. The lights, the decorations, the warm colors, everything feels calmer.
Yes, even walking outside feels different.
When does your break start?
Friday is my last work day. After that, I'm free.
Nice. Do you travel?
No, I stay in my city, but I visit my family.
That sounds perfect. My mother cooks a big dinner. Simple food, warm food.
Food always brings people together. What about you, Emma?
I'm going somewhere warm, near the sea.
Wow, that's very different from my plan.
Yes, but both are good. Different ways to relax.
I also like traditions. Every year I watch the same movies.
Really? The same ones?
Yes, they make me feel safe and happy.
That's beautiful. Traditions help us slow down.
No stress, just quiet time.
Do you buy gifts?
I try, but it's not easy.
I like simple gifts, something from the heart.
That's the best kind.
And what about next year? Do you have a small plan?
Yes, I want to learn something new.
That's a great idea. Small steps are enough.
The end of the year is a good time to say thank you.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning English with us.
And remember, you don't need to study hard every day.
Sometimes listening calmly is enough.
Now we have a question for you.
What do you do at the end of the year?
Do you travel, stay home, or just rest?
Write your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
And if this calm conversation helped you, share it with a friend.
That's all for today.
We'll be here next year, too.
Stay calm, take care of yourself.
And keep speaking English, slowly and confidently.
See you next time. Bye.